Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you banana peel and cornstarch will make you young, will get you firm skin free of wrinkles, and will make you look as 20 years old no matter your age. It is super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines and will get you an amazing results overnight. It's amazingly effective in getting rid of sagging skin and get firm skin naturally with very simple ingredients at home, my friends. It works and it gives an amazing results. The first ingredient we need in a clean mixing bowl, we need 1 banana and we need the banana peel. So peel off the banana like so. And in a clean mixing bowl, scratch the banana peel like that. Banana peel has a tightening properties that will tighten the skin naturally and will get you firm skin if you do have large open pores and if you do have wrinkles and fine lines or sagging skin. Banana peel is the key for your skin. Now my friends, as we get the banana peel like so, we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and mix well the ingredients. Now my friends, we need to add the magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour, and mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients together like so, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin and leave it to dry out completely. Then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, you will notice a great result from first use. It removes wrinkles and fine lines, and you will be amazed with the result. By using that remedy on a regular basis, you will get permanently rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Use it up to 3 times weekly to achieve the best result ever.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.